The harsh inner voice that you have is not actually yours. Your toxic family programmed this voice in your childhood into your subconscious mind. And today, as an adult, whenever you suffer, this inner voice automatically starts to minimize your pain. It says to you things like, stop being so dramatic. It was not that bad. This inner voice compares your suffering to other people's suffering and decides that yours does not count. Because growing up, your toxic and narcissistic parents minimized your pain to keep the family functional. They used to say things like, you are too sensitive, your father is doing the best he can, other kids have it way harder. They did not validate your pain because doing so would mean admitting that your family was dysfunctional. So as an adult, you are programmed to give other people endless compassion, empathy, and validation for their struggle while dismissing your own suffering as insignificant. This harsh inner voice is your greatest enemy because it will never allow you to become truly happy. But there is a way to transform this inner voice from being your worst enemy to your best friend. And I understood this after I started reading Vedic and Buddhist scriptures in order to deal with my panic attacks and anxiety 3 years ago. Monks and meditators always say that if your mind is not trained, then you will have a really harsh inner voice. Your mind is going to become your worst enemy. But if you start training your mind like an animal, it will start to become your best friend. And the same inner voice, which was harsh, is going to turn really pleasant and empowering. The way to do that is by understanding that your nervous system can be programmed. When your brain starts to produce alpha waves and theta waves, you become really hypnotizable. You are suggestible to information. The reason why your narcissistic and toxic parents could program you so easily is because a child is producing alpha waves and theta waves normally. Only after a child reaches the age of 10 to 12, he starts to produce these beta waves. And most adults function by producing beta waves in their brain. You received your programming under alpha waves and theta waves, but right now you are operating in beta waves. This is why it is so difficult as an adult to deprogram yourself from all this toxicity and narcissism of your family. But through the practice of Yoga Nidra, your brain can start producing these slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves in order to program yourself in a completely different manner. So here is what you're going to do right now if you're not driving a car or not doing anything dangerous. Just close your eyes and start relaxing your body. Start guiding your attention throughout your body parts until you notice that your breathing rate has slowed down. When you do this Yoga Nidra for about 10 to 15 minutes, you get an access to your autonomic nervous system. The door between your conscious mind and subconscious mind is now wide open, and now you can install a new program into your subconscious mind. Now what you're going to do is you construct a mental drama where you are already the ideal version of yourself. Start to visualize that wonderful things are happening to you in terms of your health, wealth, happiness, and relationships. Do not limit yourself in imagination. When Conor McGregor had to face Jose Aldo, who was undefeated for 10 years in UFC, he did not limit himself in his imagination. He persistently imagined that he was already knocking out this UFC legend in the UFC octagon. When nobody knew who Jim Carrey was, he did not limit himself in his imagination. He persistently visualized that he was already playing in big Hollywood movies. So do not worry about how something is going to happen. Just imagine that whatever you have desired for yourself has already happened. Just start imagining that you have already achieved the life that you have always secretly dreamt about. Maybe you can imagine that you're living in a beautiful apartment with your beautiful girlfriend and driving an amazing car. Maybe you can visualize that you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you see a beautiful, strong body in front of yourself. Maybe you can visualize that your friends are complimenting you because you have now finally become so financially independent. Provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act, the things that you can see, listen to, and feel. My meditation mentors taught me to visualize that I am face to face with my toxic family member and they are crying their eyes out and they are just asking me, please forgive me. And I was taught to visualize that they are embracing me and I am embracing them back while telling them, I forgive you. After I did this meditation for about 1 month, my relationship with my dad and my maternal aunt dramatically improved. You have to understand that the people that you admire, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, Kobe Bryant, Conor McGregor, Jim Carrey, have all used their imagination and emotions in order to create the life that they wanted to experience. The brain does not differentiate between a vividly imagined act and an experience that you can have in this three-dimensional physical world. So start providing all the sensory vividness to this mental drama and mentally rehearse it over and over again. Soon enough, your body is going to feel the emotions of joy, satisfaction, relief, victory, and gratitude. These elevated emotions are going to make your imagination so much more powerful that it is going to change your whole physical reality. Now, whatever you have imagined will actually start to happen in your life, and you will be so angry that nobody taught you about this technique before. The more you do this exercise day in and day out, one day you will find that your inner voice is going to say to you, something wonderful is happening to me right now. Instead of saying, stop being dramatic, you piece of shit. Because your inner voice is just a reflection of what you persistently imagine and feel. To work with me one-on-one, you can click the link that is present in the pinned comment section down below. Text me the word emotion pill and I will provide you a meditation ritual that you can do for 30 days. But I need you to become accountable so that I can track your progress daily.